Hello everyone. Today we learn about expression for excess pressure inside a soap bubble in air. Without wasting any time, let's begin.
Consider a soap bubble of spherical shape in air. Let r be the radius of spherical soap bubble P1 and P2 be the inertial and external pressure and T be the surface tension of the liquid. The excess pressure inside the bubble is P2 minus P1. Now consider equilibrium of half part A area of the A of the bubble. In this case, there are two liquid surface in contact with air. The area of circular face of A is equals to pi r square and the circumference is equals to 2 pi r. The forces acting on area A are as follows. First case, force due to the excess pressure inside the bubble. This force acts normally on the circular force. It is given by P2 minus P1 into pi r square. Another force is due to surface tension. This force acts normally on the circumference and tangentially on the hemisphere. It is given by 2 into 2 pi rt is equals to 4 pi rt. As there are two liquid surfaces in contact with air, therefore surface tension is multiplied by 2. At equilibrium, we have P2 minus P1 into pi r square is equals to 4 pi rt. Therefore, P2 minus P1 is equals to 4t upon r. Pi get cancelled. This equation P2 minus P1 is equals to 4t upon r. Therefore, P is equals to 4t upon r. Above equation gives the excess pressure inside the soap bubble. It is seen from the above equation that pressure inside the drop is inversely proportional to